Hi guys, how are you doing today? This is Joseph Wu from Elephant Fluid Power Company. Elephant Fluid Power, a company who is focusing on fluid power products and services, supporting construction, mining, oil and gas, agriculture, and other more industries. We provide hydraulic components to repair all major hydraulic pumps, motors, such as Rexroth, Sauer, Kawasaki, Komatsu, Eaton, Linde, and other brands and series. Today, I will introduce you one of our series of Rexroth, model A4VG125. I'll show you the model. This is the model A4VG125. This one is the cylinder block. This is the cylinder block. Just like this. This one. This is the piston. This series have 9 pistons. Pistons like this. So I don't take it all. I take one for example. Okay. This is the piston shoes. This is our package. As you can see, when you receive the commodity, our package is like this, the same way. This is the valve plate. This is the valve plate, right. Valve plate, like this. This is the retainer plate. Our retainer plate are like this. This is the ball guide. Our ball guide are like this. That's all this series today. I'm gonna show you. If you are looking for hydraulic experts or hydraulic professional solutions, then you come to the right place. We not only have the best engineers in China, but also we cooperate with technicians from Germany and Japan. We have the equivalent quality as the original ones, but more competitive price. We deliver the products at site if we have stock. If not, it takes 3 to 5 days. We also offer technical support and make the best solution for equipment. This way, that will save you a lot of time, money, and effort, improving your working efficiency. If you have any problems with your pump, motors, or you have requirements for hydraulic components, you can connect with us. Elephant Fluid Power is ready to work with you and make a good start with you all. That's all today. In this very special moment, we all take care of ourselves and our family. Hang in there. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.